The X3 series is the latest LED small pixel pitch screen solution with high integrated hub connection, smart indicators, and test button, seamless splicing, wireless connection with safe level connector, full front access maintenance for all parts of the accessories, optional power supply and signal redundancy backup. The cabinet structure frame thickness is only 28mm. Structureless installation weight, save the space and installation costs. 3840 Hz refresh rate, 16 bits gray level. Wide color gamut LED lamps with color correction and brightness calibration before package. Color enhancement on the entire product series.
Don't forget to like and follow. I'll see you guys next time.